Welcome to La Casa in Newport Richey, Gulf Beach, US-19. We feature an outdoor pool, a 24-hour front desk, and free Wi-Fi is available throughout the property. Clearwater Beach is a 32-minute drive, while Clearwater is only a short drive away. The nearest airport is St. Pete Clearwater International Airport, 33 minutes away. Enjoy nearby Country Pizza and Italian Grill, Thai Bistro, Wright's Natural Market and Cafe, and Sam's Club Cafe. Visit nearby West Pasco Historical Society Museum and Library, SunCruz Port Richey Casino, and Robert K. Breeze Memorial Park. We also provide an array of amenities that make staying with us a true pleasure. We are glad you're considering our clean, comfortable, and value-priced hotel for your stay. La Casa in NewportRichey.com